Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and good morning. Today I'm going to be sharing my daily nail care routine with you. This is just a typical day, nothing too crazy was going on, so I thought it would be a good one to film. I start every morning with a coffee, and on the day that I filmed this, my son was actually sleeping in, so I got to enjoy my coffee in quiet, which was so nice. When he's up, I'll usually put him on his play mat in our living room and I'll sit on the floor next to him with my laptop and I'll try to answer some emails or get some work done, but today we're going to do that solo. Before I get to work, I need to apply my cuticle oil. If you follow me on Instagram, you may see me post my coffee and cuticle care in stories pretty often. It's one of my favorite times of day. I'm using my sweet almond cuticle oil, which for those who don't know is mine. It's my product. I created it and it is available for sale. I love it so much, and aside from it being mine, I can really vouch for the results. After I finish my coffee, I'll pop on my gloves and wash any dishes, bottles, or pump parts that are in the sink. I love these glam gloves because they have a really wide neck, which makes it super easy to slide them on and off, especially when I'm wearing like a big chunky sweater like I am this morning. They hold up really well and they will last me for months. I usually pick them up at Walmart and they're under $4 or so, but you can get them online as well. I'll try to link a few below. I'll be honest, I'm not always in the mood to put on my gloves, especially if I just have a couple of things to wash, but it is so important. Like exercising, I never regret doing this. Your nails absorb water more readily than skin, which makes them more prone to splitting or peeling. And because your nails absorb water, they expand, which is a poor combination for polished fingers. So keeping your nails in water for too long or exposing them to it too frequently will often result in lifted, chipped, or peeling polish, which we don't want. So once I finished the dishes, I changed into some workout clothes because I planned to squeeze in a little exercise, and I'm filling up my water. Staying hydrated is crucial for healthy nails. I'm also taking this opportunity to take my vitamins. I go through phases with vitamins and supplements, biotin, collagen, kind of everything. I've tried it all, but right now I'm just taking a postnatal that has some benefits for hair, skin, and nails. After exercising, I saw that Amazon had left a couple of packages at our door. This is your reminder that your nails are jewels and not tools. I always use a small knife, scissors, or in this case, a pen to break the tape on my packages. It really doesn't matter what you use, just do not use your nails. I took a shower, got dressed, did my hair and makeup, and then I applied another round of cuticle oil. I'm using sweet almond again, but this is our eyedropper. Unfortunately, these are sold out and we're waiting for a restock, hopefully soon, but we'll see. After oiling my nails, I'm using a hand lotion too. I do this after getting ready because at this point in the day, I should be done touching my hair and face. Excuse my husband who just walked in and is rotating his neck in the mirror in the back. I brought my laptop into our dining room and worked at the table for a little while so I could keep an eye on my son. I always have a glass or crystal file handy, and if at any point during the day I feel any rough edges on my nails, I'll take the opportunity to quickly smooth them out. This keeps them from snagging on anything and further breaking or chipping. After filing, it's time for our third cuticle oil application. I'm just adding a dab to each finger and then gently massaging it into my nails. At this point, I like to push my cuticles back as well. I try to do this once a day, and honestly, I just do it with my thumbnails. You can use a cuticle pusher or an orange stick, but using my other nails is the quickest and the easiest. By pushing your cuticles back regularly, you're keeping them from overgrowing and really ever needing to be trimmed. We don't want to trim our cuticles because that puts you at risk for germs or bacteria to seep into the nail root and become infected. We were going to a hockey game that night, and almost every time I'm in the car, I try to apply cuticle oil. I leave a bottle in my car and in my husband's truck. If I'm driving, I'll apply before I put the car in drive. If I'm a passenger, I'll apply on the go. I love using cuticle oil when I get in the car because it's a great time for your nails to be idle, doing nothing but soaking up that oil. The game was so much fun. It went into overtime and ended with a shootout, so it was a long night, but I did apply once while we were there. When we got home, my son was already asleep, so I got ready for bed, refilled my water, and applied my oil one more time. Second to the car, this is one of the most important applications of the day because as you sleep, your nails have nothing to do but drink up all of that goodness. I like to follow it up with a hand cream. This one is from Burt's Bees, and I've had it for a long while. It's almost empty because I truly love it so much. It's really thick and hydrating. When I use it before bed, my hands usually still feel super smooth in the morning. When I'm done, I hop into bed and admire my healthy and hydrated natural nails. Obviously, every day is a little different, but for the most part, this is my nail care routine. Oil them, protect them, avoid using them, and they'll stay in great shape. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. If you have any daily tips to share, please leave them in the comments. I'd love to check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.